How you doing, everybody? This is Kurt Henry at the Mortgage Center, and this is a weekly mortgage update just to let you know what's going on in the mortgage market. We are mortgage brokers and we work with multiple banks and lenders just to get them to compete for you to get you the best deal when you're getting a mortgage. And in terms of mortgage rates, a 5-year fixed rate is in around 2.99% or so. There are some that are a little bit lower and a little bit higher than that, just depending on the situation. And variable rates are around 2.5%, but again, those could be slightly lower or slightly higher. Just depending on the situation. And I also just wanted to mention that there are these types of products that sometimes banks will try to sell where there's different portions of a mortgage. So for example, you might have one portion as a fixed rate mortgage for a 5-year term, whereas another portion is a variable rate mortgage for a 3-year term, and then another portion is a fixed rate mortgage for a 3-year term, for example. So in other words, if there's a $100,000 mortgage, then maybe they're split up into different portions, and you know, it's just a way of structuring the mortgage. But the problem with something like that is that if you're ever wanting to sell your house and purchase another house, the maturity dates of these different portions in your mortgage are all scattered. So in other words, it's very difficult to time it so that you sell your house at the perfect time where you're not going to pay a penalty. Because if you have one portion of your mortgage coming up for renewal, you know, in 3 months from now, and another portion of your mortgage coming up for renewal in a year from now, and you want to sell your house in 3 months from now, well, yes, you're not going to pay a penalty on one portion of it, but you will pay a penalty on the other portion that's not coming up for renewal for a year. So we've had actually quite a few instances like that where people are regretting doing these types of mortgages where the terms are different. Because they end up paying a penalty when they otherwise wouldn't have if they just did a regular mortgage. So if you have any questions on that at all, just give us a call. The number at the office here is 905-436-8010. Thanks, and have a great day.